time for another layered bob. As you can see, I'm cutting in the outline as we speak. The very first section, which is going to be the guide for the rest of the haircut. It's also going to be the length, my new outline for the rest of the haircut. As you can see, I've started by sectioning off a center section down the middle of the back and two A-line sections from the center to both sides of the ear. And now I'm just going through and taking another section, combing that section down, and because I've already cut the section underneath it, I've got my guide to cut the rest of the outline on the rest of the haircut. So I'm going to continue to take A-line sections, working my way up the head. Here's another one. Combing those sections down, you can see my guide underneath, and then I'm just going to use that guide to basically cut the next section. And once I've established my bob, then we can carry on with the layers. So we've completed cutting the bob on the left side. It is now time to carry on the bob on the right side. As you can see, I'm taking another section, combing that section straight down, using the section underneath as my guide, and then establishing the bob on the right side. I'm going to continue to take these sections, working my way up until I've completed cutting the bob. Once the bob is all done, I will then go ahead and layer the rest of the haircut. We have completed cutting the bob, and it is now time to cut the layers. As you can see, I'm combing the hair straight back and establishing that very first section of the layers. From there, that section is now my guide for the rest of the layering, and I'm going to use that section as my guide. I'm taking another section, over-directing it to that previous and first section so that I know how short to cut the current section. And I'm going to continue working my way from the center all the way to the right side. Once I've got all the layering done on the right side, I will continue to do the same thing on the left side. Now that I've completed the layers on the right side, it is now time to do the exact same thing on the left side and cut those layers on the left side of the head. So we've come to the end of another haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and check out those layers in that bob. And thank you so very much again for watching.